My husband loves chocolate, and so today we're gonna make a chocolate smoothie for him and also for all of you that love chocolate. I personally am more of a sweet and like tropical person, but I know the chocolate cravings are for real, and so let's make a healthier version of that so you can enjoy it and also nourish your body. We're gonna start by adding 1 cup of spinach to make this smoothie, and 1 cup of spinach has about 1 gram of protein, which is kind of a cool way to get some protein into your smoothie. The second thing we're gonna do is add 1 cup of almond milk. I like to do unsweetened almond milk, so I'm not adding any extra sugars to my smoothie. And depending on what brand of almond milk you're using, you're gonna get between 1 and 5 grams of protein in that glass. Okay, now we're gonna add our natural sweetener, which we're using frozen bananas. Super easy to do, just cut and chop them the night before, put them in your freezer, and then you have them ready to go. You can add them to your smoothie. They also chill it down, so not only sweeten it, but they're gonna turn into like ice cubes for your smoothie. So it's 1.5 bananas right there. Vanilla bean goes in most of my smoothies that use almond milk because it's really good. And this is vanilla bean powder. It's finely ground up from Madagascar vanilla beans. You can also use vanilla extract if you want to. And now we're gonna get to the cacao. So depending how much you like chocolate, I would say use between 1 and 2 tablespoons of cacao. I'm gonna get out my tablespoon. And each tablespoon of cacao naturally has 1 gram of protein in it. So there's 1. I'm gonna give them 1.5. So you taste it, adjust, make it work for you. The last thing we're gonna do is add 1 serving of Protein Smoothie Boost. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna take the smoothie and turn it into a meal replacement by adding 10 grams of protein and 4 grams of healthy fats, which actually satisfies your body. It helps all of these nutrients, all of these plants get absorbed into your body, and it also is gonna keep you full longer. All right, so here's 1 serving, which is about 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons. All right, we've got everything in our blender. Now we just gotta turn it on and blend up this baby. If you're wondering what I'm staring at, I'm trying to see if all of the leafy chunks from the spinach are blended up so that you have no clue that they're even in here to begin with. Because spinach is flavorless in your smoothies, but you are adding essential phytonutrients and also that 1 gram of protein. Oh, I can smell the chocolate, wow. All right, This is actually making me wanna have it. I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla bean on top just for presentation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below and let me know what you loved about it and also what your favorite kind of chocolate is for you chocolate lovers out there. All right, now I gotta go take the smoothie to my husband so that he can go enjoy it. Bye.